abono.
Because he says on the constituency for the Yinano, Yamobia 100. He's speaking on authority.
Yo, not Okasa, me akasa for the constituency as a kind of south. Namakasa for other electoral constituencies are the boy here.
Obing. He is the chairman of the Tema West constituency of the New Patriotic Party, and he's speaking on authority that member Bia will free her Ebe Jumedianase in the name of Dr. Mahmoud Baumia was given 100 Ghana cedis. And you had also made mention of that.
Utini before and say, "You can you the same as the chairman and I."
Na sa me bisa. What?
You can hear the man. This is their usual rhetoric and their usual propaganda. Yes, Miss Yopa. But Miss Yopa.
Unless Chairman Kunu any control constituency. Text messages by SOMPA my friend was some overnight.
No, but Minya, Prof.
Yeah.
The organization of the party, a youth organizer, and mobilizing. Ground. What chairman mobilization then our ground? Anything I need this out there. You can say their usual propaganda and their usual life, no? Everything all cannot.
Did I say
he is overwhelmed? Is overwhelmed by the crowd nearby and I've not been almost there. I don't think it's your allegation.
There is a crowd we are not going to put one. You see? As a party, ending the grammar. Say on the abasing conference, I don't know what they want to say. Ya. You're ready to grab my candidate, Tibamus, the embassy, and you're going to what they want. Say ya.
Chairman, me call grounds, me walk this constituency chairman or Kappa say, was he at the grounds and oh, you know. The issue is not about Obi Bayana, Obi Amba. I am telling you my constituency. People are giving money. So if you say you don't know, say you don't know. I am telling you my constituency. Does he want that? Their usual probably they are shocked that they are overwhelmed by the number.
Shocked what? Shocked. Yes, Master, Ghanaians are fed up with this vaccine. When we are going for the 2024 election, you know what? We were bashing people, we had all the crowd, but we got 41, Abi. So who says who says this was being voted? Who says so?
I don't know why a chairman is heading to the usual propaganda. I mean, the propaganda of
what do you call propaganda?
But in the usual.
No, see, we can look at this and say the organization. This thing you can say the organization was good, but it was not for free. That's what I'm saying. It was not free.
But chairman, so if it is not for free, now okay, South. You will be a Wahanoma on one side and the back of the Sion. Say with the mobilization, then upon Abwa because of Doma, Dr. Laj Mambu Baumia. What is the issue with it?
Okay, so
I complain about that.
As a chairman of the constituency, haven't you taken your personal money to support the party before?
You see, you are comparing apples to mangoes. What I said, my youth commander. What I'm saying is not what you are saying. What I'm saying is not what you are saying.
No, so tell me what you are saying, because what you are doing is allegation. First of all, you can't.
I am saying it on authority.
He says that he is saying it on authority, and for that matter, he can prove say there is somebody in his constituency. Yaman 100 Ghana cedis say Omra.
Okay. And the one that demand of
mobilization. Why
not demand?
Okay, so you hold the line. You hold the line for me. You hold the line for me. Mr. Kwesibu, let me ask you. Why they discuss 100 cities no Edema Nipano?
You know what? And after Kennedy Adiano, it was on all platforms and coordinated platform in my constituency. Coordinated platform in my constituency. Anybody who wants to go, a contact number is to talk to the person. And then 100 Ghana will be given to you. They call the chairman to find us a chairman. Program where young call. We are party for so what are you talking? So what is he talking about?
So, Prof.
Yes.
If the intention is to give everybody that comes 100 Ghana cedis, okay, don't you think, sir, there would have been planning? Say, okay, for this constituency, you go for 50, 100, 100, 200, and then the budget will be allocated. But the fact that there is a general notice on all platforms tells you that the camp of Baumia cannot estimate and cannot project number of people ever. For which reason, they discover who on mobile. You see, this usual lies and this usual propaganda is something that I expect the chairman to stop. When an necessary party, mobilization and getting party people to the candidate is something like that. Yes, please.
No, you see, some of the things
you know better.
Some of these things. You know what?
The money comes from Dr. Alaji. You couldn't answer.
Agrono any form. Nyama where they are Korean. When we're campaigning, instead of allowing organic thing to go, we're passing. I want for the 1% and so you need to come say
Chairman, any game 41% to look how be. Maybe count. I 1% no because Majatu said the county. It is the same. Now you're the year, and your presidential candidate near Geneva, and I issue the father.
Abi wanted to do this argument. Let's make time and come. Look at the parliamentary vote and the presidential. The parliamentary vote was more than the presidential. It means the candidate was not good. Please, what I say?
This total fallacy. Domi Kwabenya, you have never lost the seat before. For the first time, we lost the seat over there. And you are saying this is as a result of Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Bawumia. When me and you will know that there were problems with we know that there were problems with the candidates. After losing, let's compare. Go to Okobo's place. Okobo lost by 11,000. The candidate lost by 31,000.
All right, okay. I think we have to end.
Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Bawumia, about constituency. No problem. There was constituency between former executive, current executive. Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Bawumia talk about.
Did I say that?
Come on, let's take responsibility.
No. Did I say that?
Responsibility and make sure.
And then you don't know. Myself and my candidate, we are the only people who have accepted.
All right, okay. So I think we'd have to end.
What I want by Yasabre, yes, yes. Who fit one and one? We say that was what you want to say. I say, and I never did say, and you know, no cool. Cassani Yamuno. Answer an escumibe. I can answer an escumibe. Yawo, and you say, and Okoyo now will lose soon. The billboard, Fufro, Abessibuabia. Musi. I don't say, no matter the Musi, I'm say, you may buy a lesson. Yes, you didn't send us me. Send on Dominum send us me. Then there's me who are over there way and I say, and you did not some that one. And why you said, yeah, that was what we had this year. And yes, Obiano, yes, a man. I am
Abusiafo ekoso Adam ase amama kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Efremi Kobla Abotchie aka Prof na wie yatenase. And na yeda jo weekend no night saying Mejiri Pisana weekend now it was good for you. Even at all, if it was even bad, remember sir, there are good days ahead. This is the social political, economic, current affairs programmer. SOMPA 106.5 FM away one crying. Yashisha, yede bro. Every jada a copy me fiada from 2:30 to exactly 5:30. 5:30 bremuno yede hot by news no edibe to so na I said charity and then the center of the conversation no ebewo akwetia eho edi ebeko. Is it going to go tomorrow for the NDC or for the New Patriotic Party? These are conversations yɛde live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Shadow so said you are abwafo a wama so yasene kese pa yɛde ebrel nakai Electroland Ghana Limited a home of quality electronics. Open electronics papa todia. The name should be Electroland Ghana Limited. Sasuna Tontina 74 T74 and that's what German so kama pa me pacho a bon who ban if yade bebre ho a brace fatano meka and also who's and some Eddie Achro and anyway our for God and country on SOMPA 106.5 FM Midima for Herbal Center Dr. Time Daso Yare Kwankro bia adokro ache bia no me pacho besre ho say Ubadi uriwe ni bachelor Midima for Herbal Center Dr. Time Daso ono so aso yasene na wie sasuna Lexter Company Limited Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush omunyina aso yasena na wie for God and country djumadi no ye de bebro na ka bio say and then encommode be the my panelists in the studios na wie ye wo Roger T.D. Wells one national communication team member for the NDC and Cheribia and Ofia Kwitia ebaye sasuna Bampoman Verick aka Chaka Sauba Domi Kwabinyaha New Patriotic Party ono a youth organizer also eba be kan Sunday live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM sasuna ura Samuel Dako ono ayo checheni ewo UPSA and ne also ebe pm waha nande enkomodo yedi Abraham live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. I've told you sir and then komono do drona ebe center live here ewa he on Akwetia by elections. Medical be out of that. NDC amanyoko ne candidate no and ebedi enkunim anase MPP amanyoko ne candidate no and ebedi enkunim. But before that there are some stories on the front pages of some newspapers. Baumia best bet for 2028 says Kojo upon Nkrumah, and of course it comes with a picture of Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and of course is he the best bet? Yes, there's going to be a conversation of course on this particular issue right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Nasaka Biose Chronicle Kratano Ediabase Ama Kofi Boa rise to AG for formal revocation of LI 2462. Yenyina ebe kaya sanko ba isu beto dwa lines minister whatever beto dwa se sabre wodi krata edi akwakoma attorney general se LI 2462 a ema ho kwan ema yetu a former goodie ewo ye kwae mu no ni nyina no eto obetwa ye be ye free ho say de be ye obi antimi monra ye kwae ni nyina mu bio. But what is the Daily Graphic also saying? Daily Graphic in there say ubehwe krata na enumu a NDC MPP face off in Akwetia who claims the bragging rights tomorrow, and of course comes with a picture of Ura Bernard Bediako, the NDC candidate, and of course our brother Asumedu, who is also the NPP's candidate. And Tirochina, the Baba Modern Yabetrasi 2 o'clock, we are 2. Na ya tiremwa Akwetia hono nsensam nyina no dia ye mfa nkamete phone there live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. If NPP loses Akwetia by election, I will resign as an MP. Michael Ochribefi vows. Now munyina munim MPP MP era Michael Ochribefi. One also know we obi a would odi your friends Dr. Mahmoud ba obi chipa. That's somewhere the abeto joy. Nampono ochina se ekosia saying any besifa accord oba resign and so on resign on say last week on this particular program they come amujan say the global info analytics sabre onu asemo a wo pa kire say NDC's candidate Bernard Bedru wono and oba winning Akwetia by elections we ba cho denti na oka asa den na wahu pulse no ye no ba cho nsem bi se be no ko bi se mu a eno e kire say NDC amanyoku ne candidate ora Bernard Bedru oye emrenim ni ebe winning elections no na enewie ya na say na no pe ya na we so ebe top form Chief Justice suspension committee no sabra me no kasai one more report no one more the akwakoma ye mampenyin His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Remember, it's on the first petition. On the second petition, I'm too reliable. Say, I had a petition, why I say why withdraw from that petition. Some comments, idea to ja. That's a cabio say. Nanu over the weekend. So to haya, so to manya. Homo festival or homo yen. To obiko to 2 year. Eba sabra menabo kasai. Adishia bear say 9. Ebi musem yensa. Ebi musem yenu. What is the correct figure of Omo Amofrim and you Omo Amopra? Anyway, live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Sanko mo nyina and ya dia ye de be kamemo. Na ma minsan ka bi o say anesi fu asabre woni ebeko suku agwako Asian ade ababe nurses ewo Ghana ha no eye aban de abase wo school fees no ade a wafa 50% of it. So what is it? What is informing this particular decision for the school fees to be slashed to 50%? This and many more live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. But I've told you, say Nkoboy, idea Ngobono do dona air center on Akwetia, but Sabri yako ahmano sisia na yeni ora Musa Dankwa edin komo. Wano ene the Chief Executive Officer of Global Info Analytics and the check made in the bedin komo sisia. Patrick, that's the same.
Prof, Namia Daroma.
Bibia Bokore.
Namia Dumia 1st September,
Yeah, 1st September.
Yeah.
And of course, I have a message for our listeners out there.
Right.
One more 80 I had something to share with them.
Okay.
And of course, because it's a 1st September of the year 2025, meaning
That's
we have
right.
just about some 4 or 3 months,
four months
to say goodbye to the year 2025. Welcome,
right.
year 2026. Are you grateful? Are you grateful for what God has done for you? But remember, the message for this afternoon is that rumors can make you hate an innocent person and love a hypocrite. Always take the time to verify information before you start hating. May we be gifted with a spirit of discerning to be able to judge accordingly. Please have a beautiful man. So that's the message right here.
That's what Chirima na just say atisem.
Yeah.
Ebetumi ama wa hate onipa bia, ebetumi ama wa tan nipa bia. Owo dobi mano. Na sa opese o yes sad na just say verify information.
Information answer.
And some now te fa me ho no. Verify answer. Sa na so akoka bi. And yes over time kwa.
Over time kwa. Me that's
right.
Ya kwa mano so dan ni ora Musa Dankwa Global Info Analytics. One the CEO of this research organization. Yanyaru Ahomano so ora Musa Dankwa ya mo akwa baba for God and country on SOMPA 106.5 FM. I won't cry. Me pacho apombo kode. Yo. Sabre krata bi da enim extra say. What can a pefe say a yadia NDC candidates. I work with by election. Ora Bernard Bedru oyem renim no. Wano an obedi enkunim. Na etiefo ebisa say. Inyina so ben pa na wugina so a wudi hu say likely no ora eye Bernard Bedru ebedi nkunim ewo Akwetia by election ochina nyame adoma ebeba so
yo me da so penini akwenye me dikan yen hwe wini margina eneskumi edi wini Akwetia last December or wini with a little over 2,000 votes neboa.
No crepa.
Okay. Yeah, Koya survey two of them, first one and second one. First one, na Esumedu a lead ewo wenchi NPP World Bank ewa putia. Na we leading with 77% 4 weeks ago. And then wenchi NPP a 49%. What the difference is?
Yeah.
From 77 to 49. DNAC. Oh, wait.
And also, I asked him, yes, you baby, sir.
You were sure, say, MP before him. On person of boss.
And then, no munima, on person of boss.
Oh, I think, yeah. I'm a small form, I'm a soon at that form, just like us. But they can't say it in public.
So,
again, I'm a be support from 77 to 49. But second reason, we are just conclude. Second reason, they said, Oko Bodia West and Bodia East.
Yeah.
Bodia West, the NDC4 strongholds. At the moment, NDC was 70% of Bodia West.
Wow.
Bodia East, the NPP, at the moment, almost 50% in your stronghold. Stronghold, they win by 50%. They told me,
SOMPA FM.
Almost and Neskumi in the 2024 parliamentary elections. A more 24% say, almost 50 or more votes, as they call Bernard Bade. 24%. Almost in the Kitahono. Almost 50 or more votes. Fourth one, almost see NPP4. Almost my NPP candidate. A more 11% say on the top of NDC, Bade. NDC4 almost my Asumedu, 3%. MPP almost my Asumedu, 84%. NDC almost my Bade, 96%. The last and not the least, baby NPP for a lead in the current 21 electoral areas. It's made over 57%. Baby, around 40 something percent. 42%. Baby NDC a lead, you know. NDC a lead with 67 to 68%. So therefore,
now Obi baby say, sa figures yeah would it to mountain na giving credence to the fact say, aya ora Bernard Bedu, wono we ready kind of. Obi baby say sample size being and I will consider in your research to establish all these figures are would it to mountain.
Yeah, engaging with 2050. With the population size of Bakutia, our Motuaba, 62,000. So that translates into
signed Felix Kwachi Ofosu, spokesperson to the president, Minister, Government Communications. But you were making, some kind of reference to Skebi Ehonsam. How do you know, sir? And ASS Gan Honsam, and your friend is a committee in Ginaso. The car says, Sabridi, on some fatase or ne, obey Chief Justice.
The petitions against the Chief Justice not a dose kakra, but notably what the very popular and Kofoka was empire Daniel Ofuri at the Koyeno. And then it was a Chief Justice spending in official capacity and also unofficial capacity. No, it was a spending in the I think that the Chief Justice actually spends it in an unofficial capacity. Against judicial service, Nankasa, Emra, a teacher or Macon to Chief Justice. And so they make an attack. If I believe they're going for details to the Bible, and as I'm running with Busono, I am in America. The recommendation by the SOMPA President exists. They will too many years. There was a quite be also President Egino and the constitutional article 1469 now. Except President Kitty said a committee this President Umrebiaso recommendation a 5-member committee a year made up of 2 Supreme Court judges Chief Justice that to talk former Chief Justice to talk on the new year on one at the Abba in Kenya President Mama and the Baye. Okay,
but do you think, sir, recommendations na committee, no, I'm talking about the 5-member committee, no. Do you think, sir, recommendation, no, government would have to make it public for the general public to know what the committee's report was?
I know I can't second guess His Excellency the President. The GDA pastor is a far more going forward. No, and you're on the back coming Ghana for Obama Ghana for now. So I take
on fan coming Ghana for Obama na baba dampan amu bi enye bi akan.
President Mama minim no the GDA pastor he will look at all the things and brief the people of Ghana. But see, what we must take note is that the Chief Justice get to.
So personally, no, do you feel say it was said reports or committee's reports I'm asking you as a person, not as maybe as a government spokesperson. As a person, do you think say report it should be made public?
Me personally, no, looking at the image and integrity of the judicial services of Ghana, Mijidi said some issues should remain within only a certain corridor. So they say America can say we a court system. No mukudi. What the American during court examination any man kasa be any maybe to be there. See a part there may be some aspects of it. It will not be that is my personal opinion. And see, maybe the recommendation can be published, but the details of the substance of the matter, no. And no, maybe Jiri pass ABA, near money be Bible, idea a bit me a good because the Jiri pass near might be a course so within the petition and some responses. And even on the part of the Chief Justice, the press conference of some of the kind. The GDA pass on the committee level, no, it will even be more than the Chief Justice because I will wish to say Kanya de Bible, but Obi Diana one Korea, a Munya so more President Mama, or not saying that you're not the canon of the
Dr. Samaye, a forgotten country, yeah, that's Swama Hokwama, you know, it didn't come Roger Wills, Ewaha, or some in man. Yo, Ebusha for Sabri. Dr. Sam Aye, member government communication team, and artist Edin Commander. Pato, the Ababeto Jano, yeah, they assume say, wham! Sabre.
And that's your 1st September.
And then 1st September.
Every year no muda. You make hide the beer.
1st September.
1st September.
Wow,
2025.
wow, 2025.
The removal.
Yeah.
Of the Chief Justice.
Justice. And I'm about to join.
Yara.
Yeah,
buy Becca.
Okay.
Tidi
Wills, my bound change.
Buy Becca. Ye poor money ye. Ye Becca. And Yansua ye Becca. Nina ni say ye chichiro mine. Ne bebo mine, never more mine tumpong and the yeka. It is a Sebio, Mampani John Dramani Mahama, per the committee's report. Essay.
And per the committee's report and acting on what the Constitution says.
Correct.
Article 1469.
Correct.
And then they require no say.
Correct.
Also acting in accordance with the committee's report. That's fine.
That's right. And it's a when we unite to ebe boya omampani aye na afemu de ono de like you rightly said no article no constitution no na wagina so e de aye ne sa enti ne ebe bo my prof na ye hwe eba na enye nso de a yete ha ye beka enti ni nyina mu no bible say e fast da manyame ni nyina mu papa mu boni mu enyame ano no enti prof na eho no asem eno no
ayo that say akwetia by elections no
akwetia by election aye peace
but manyere ntia say wo ho abakosem kakra fa abakosem no boy
na ansana me de beba no mamenka say last week weekend na me wo kede important ho baby na prof enye easy security wise ene nyema ekoso wo ho de ano odin na say wo hwe baby fiti Buadua barrier hono there's a bridge be there from the barrier to the Buadua baby na NDC for ni your last rally na prof me di traffic me more than 2 hours me di musa car ne nkoka ne ma di musa 2 hours enti yabebo Ghana penifo number so especially the police service a police for the big go pa say na mo kan some the 5,500 policemen never call omugu ho internal na mama found komu kakra na me starting from 1996 between NDC and MPP near AC ne election concerning Akwatia constituency in 1996 no on the ticket of NDC ya papa Mohammed Ezua Siam on the ticket of NDC and on the ticket of NPP no ya papa Francis AY Ajari Bray ono ene gina wo MPP dimu na omotu abanu wie in 1996 no na ye papa Mohammed Ezua Sam enya 22,140 representing 52.90% and na ye papa Francis enso nya 12,815 representing 30.60 and to hwe sa mienu ya difference no ano odin pa 52.90 percentage wise and 30.60 percentage wise between the NDC until 1996 ye papa Mohammed Ezua Sam and the winning on the ticket of NDC. See a money about 2,000. No drama on the ticket of NPP. Kissing Akomen Kisi on the ticket of NPP. And ye papa Baba Jamal Mohammed Ahmed Ejrama on the ticket of NDC. Now what to abandon ye kosi every year buy no. Na ye papa Kissing Akomen Kisi anya 13,805 and I have a pajama so anya 12,069 and 42.75 against 48.90 and also and once in 2024 yeah papa kissing esa begina ebiem akome kisi osa begina ebiem on the ticket of NDC and I have papa baba jama so sa begina ebiem on the ticket of NDC na ehon so about 20 nyina kwa awie no na ye papa kissing akumia correct akumia enya 19,386 and I papa jama aya 17,484 so Mr. Kissing akumia represented 52.20 and ye papa Muhammad baba jama enso nya 47.10 and in 2024 so ye papa akumia and a winning on the ticket of NPP. Now about in 2028, yeah, Papa Kofi.
And yet 2028, 2008,
2008,
2008,
2008.
Sure.
Me that's it. 2028.
Yeah.
Oh,
2028. Say the what the yen do.
I dear bed the school fees. Now I have me Prof, me that's it. And the 2008, correct. Yeah, Papa Kofi Asare on the ticket of NPP. Any ya Papa Jamal SI Ejina BM. Now about 20 53.0 representing the NPP's candidate. 17,900. And now Papa Jamal 15,860 representing 47.0. Until 2008 and also query na Papa Kofi Asare ojina on the ticket of NPP and so we need a home. Now about 2012 Papa Jama esa jina BM on Papa Kofi Asare esa ejina the same people now in 2012 abanu toko wiase no na Papa Kofi Asare enya 19,912 representing 49.07%. And now Papa Baba Jama also enya 20,471 representing 50.44%. And I know 2012 require na Papa Baba Jama also ewini aban on the ticket of NDC. No so what some ever told ya. Now over 2016 so ya mame Mercy Edu Jemfi on the ticket of NPP and ya Papa Baba Jamal ekojina. Na 2016 ni kwa wiye no. Na ya mame Mercy Edu Jemfi enya 21,433 representing 57.21 and ya Papa Baba Jamal so enya 15,905 representing 42.45 until we had 2016 so ya mame Mercy Edu Jemfi and the winning here on Akwetia constituency on the ticket of NPP and also and what some ever told ya. You're moving called 2020. On the 2020 on the ticket of NDC, ya Papa Henry Yadon Boachi and a Bejina MI NDC for and ya Papa when yan baby crow and the Skumi and so Ejina MI NPP edimu. Na about 20 now Korea on 2020 no na ya Papa when yan baby crow and the Skumi on the ticket of NPP no enya 18,742 representing 48.50 and now we share your Papa Henry Yadon Boachi on the ticket of NDC on also 19,899 representing 51.50 in the 2020 equity na your Papa Henry Yadon Boachi ojina on the ticket of NDC no ewini abaton ewo Akwetia constituency na yeba ye twa mu nansen ya 2024 ye Papa NS Yaokumi wonya no baby koi osani yewura Henry Yadon Boachi ebegina ye saa ebiem ema eno no abaton no kwa wiye no na ye Papa wonya no baby ko NS Kumi enya 19,269 representing 52.83%. And ya Papa Henry Yadon Boachi enso enya 17,206 representing 47.17%. Emma ya Papa NS Yaokumi awanya no baby krono ewini abaton na hono empenchempem by court di assembly bibia ye no really on the favor of ya Papa NS Yaokumi na odi NPP enim amomko wini Akwetia constituency enti na de fofia antwata ya Papa ni free mu no o say ye pe representative and a replacement for ye papa ns yakumi a onya ne baby crow enti no ho adwuma na sesia de ochena na me ya adomo a ebetodwa electoral commission asese omo niema nyina police service ne so yo omo afamu de a police form da kogu de se na mdi kankan mi amani ahu bi Saturday me free Sunday and ray me free ho bank no mani ahu bi a police for gu krom ho de poni behwe nsese ye catch now prof there's a trend be here say wo sha ye papa baba Jamal utimi who say or standing here for quite a number of times. I think about 4 times. In 2000, in 2004, in 2008, and in 2016. And to show how standing 4 times. Na ninyina no standing ye no in 2012. And na otumi ewini ye ebeye MP for Akwatia constituency. Enti eho asem no prof.
All right, I mean I say, but there is one issue biswa over the weekend also. Anya so tum dey.
Ow. Me dey.
Anya so tum dey.
Prof, sesia no.
Best producer say anke obey anka yene eyin kasa Dr. Former MP for Anya so tum. Dr. Mirefinidi. Brana Champion spokesperson. You know, ending komo
SOMPA FM.
And live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. So that's what it is. That's the news coming in right
it's
here.
So sad.
It's so sad. It's so sad.
Look at the number of people.
Dr. Adumako.
Dr. Adumako. Oh, Dr. Adumako. Yeah. Correct.
You have a friend we need an eyewitness account of that particular issue because I don't know, from the conversations I had this morning, as I said, there was an intelligence set Sadia no crowd one chair a bit messy in the sprinkling of the quick play.
Oh, just like that.
Yes, in the sprinkling of the quick play, Sadia no bit messy. And I don't know, the Ghana Police Service. Yeah, to no na police for
a police for
a police for almost omuni and it's our man.
They say Timemufo crowd will torture police for
me catch them. That is that, yes. I would not doubt what you are saying. Because I said Timemufo this time around. And in command I'm no paying the crowd to say. On him pona or that me refini din crowd. So him so to Debbie
Omanjo
hono. I said nenkoda no so mpanyimfo no. Enso no epese womo eyeden omo retaliate. But Ghana ha as a retaliation huhum bia ba be hye oman ni mu. Obi ye wade a this out na na so ye de bituaka.
A tit for tat.
Adana sa huhum na wo se be hye mu as Ghanaians. Adentina sa nyama no e wo say it be shame adentina anybody fache because it is very bad e wo say there wo mko ye no enye but that doesn't mean say you should also go and retaliate and take lives usu kwa kokumo bi
no say a festival no kwa na mo celebrating no is it about taking lives? Festival ye celebrating. Na osho ya bakosem kra festival crowd e yade a ye de ka nkonfo bom. It brings unity among the citizens and the people living in the community. And it says no festival ye kodi a celebrate o mano anase kromu mano ama omahu se ye culture nie yan ya fafadie ni ye de yade. Say akoye kum akoye kunkum enti sesi ana festival na ye di na home faso pa ne sen
won say anja so to mu no eye o majo na ye wo dwene ho hene so but allegedly we are told say in the sprinkling of the people no eye dwene ho hene no enkrofo no bi e de ye say o mu trash e de aba majo eno na ekofa sa niema no nyina e de ba that is the information we are getting but it's up to now no my worry in this country they say you and I, we are not safe. You and I, we are not safe. I can't say to them for the 20 gram. I'm out for a 20 dozen.
Now, how can a police service go and supervise something like this?
In the exchange of the battles, you know. Now,
they have to find their way
out.
They
have to find their way out. Why must these things be happening? Ghana Padre. I say, I don't America. Say, a tuno na manager say tuno. I will go to Kumana.
America crisis is here.
They say, I don't Americana. Yadani Americana. Okay. Yanyarin Tiasenche. The MC for Gas Central. Why say only young Ebekasa on this particular issue with the police. Now, my main question is na Mindis and Komowe. Ebusha for Yenya the municipal chief executive for Gas Central. Yenebedi and Komo anyway live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Honorable, Yama Kwababa Yejumedi so I will me patron what to say.
I'm not doing me boko na usu.
Boko. Achobo ni kako.
Na ni adote.
Ni adote. Oh, ni adote. Bole kekemi. Ba my embra enkomo no so. Na enkomo we a ababeto dwei between Majo and the ho issue we. Sabre ye bisa say ye dem pa na si ye. Because you need for no as an issue na nkasa bae no enya de a wo muti ase me pacho eye dem pa na sie boy ho nkomo
yo mami fa kwanya we anchia obibiara o tie SOMPA FM ewe na issue no tena okai odi kakan no issue is about two rival chiefs and so it's about chieftaincy na on we say nyame ye yadom e won kan I guess we we have several clans that work to be a not no sub chiefs and so other areas into Ediomudia. And once I would a fashion, then you have the right to go out there and sprinkle the festive food. No,
okay, quickly
now exactly now as I say what I inform you, be a person on fat any person any point so. And speak quickly, in all the various lanes. And mostly, who say, were 2 or 3 fashions. No, what we do is that, et nasi, romu, quite befaso, say, Abia, who start here, Abia, for every few, quite not either when any maybe some few distance, not beyond the meters. No, would know, we also bear the same thing, don't crisscross. And the honor, Fenicen. And I say, Juma before the celebration Saturday. But while Nipa, Yatia say, who when he say, when he say, after Saturday, Adriano, some of them have crisscrossed the marketing more, or crisscross into other areas. And the other areas influence who anti-asia into confrontation. I'm moving to a bono. Not knowing some of them have a gun with live bullets. And we see. So it's basically about fighting over chieftaincy title and having a demarcation for sprinkle of the people.
It is happening because conflicting reports are monitoring the media space. Now, ebi muchira nipa be 5, ebi 4. The police have also come out saying, say nipa be miensa. Muna muoho edem pa nipa dodo sempa na ehwere warning kwa.
In the police report, any inquiry no call various hospitals in police hospital. Nipa omu wuye 3.
Omu ye 3.
But more prior to 5, so only 8 suffered various degrees of injuries. But 3 and 5 no. I think 2 of them have been treated and then discharged. The other 3 are still in the hospital. So only 8. But 3 and a wuye.
But is it 3 there a wuye no? Na bakubi die na oye. So to omu no. Ne ba ena owuye. And this morning I'm told say I am ranting numbering about 200. Kase some ways they would retaliate to the other side of the chieftaincy divide. Now Akwakwaban is saying no. I don't know. What is the security doing?
Yes, and only as only pakre frame no me ka say say yan wi meetings no. Sisia na mini ohini owo sutum new Ofori Osabu Akwe the third. I didn't microphone, I didn't come up. And we pick that intelligence and he says, "I feel here on also the voice of Dompa." It doesn't occur domino, and feel here on also the voice of we. But on said, if you are ready to see our man George, you know, about man George station on political, I can offer. Now, so too, a central, and a new for our union for so too, I will medium. But essence say the balance to the eco canon. I say, the identity a boundary between Ga Central and Ga North. That's a Omanjo, any so too. That's a boundary. Wow, indeed, the balance on before Tiasino, or Hene, a war, Pashibu, Ebe, Pashima Hono. In the Yenmise, once a Adiaka new for my boys net also. And here there will be retaliation from the other side. In Telonzo, any police in paying for the in community, so to police command. Any other police divisional commander say we are now other divisional command. Any region, better crime I think if dispatch a lot of police people on the ground. Oba me papa new for honest Krampo, they were police so on standby. Indeed, we are monitoring the situation. But behind closed doors, many youth it's nasty, new for you. Edin Como, Mr. Muse, Bibi Abano, say, near man said Uncle Ye, or be Woodia. But Oma running Ejuma, police in the BMD, they should allow the police to stay their face of whatever has happened. In the Mr. Moy, we can say, no more far law into their own hands to go out there and do anything. In the Mugano, near in Painful Edoma, and Niminaka, so the assurance is that they will wait for the police to come out with their final report. Who's their way forward. They say we are on them. Every few minutes, we do review. In collaboration with me, Anonso or Ganoff, that is Ganoff MC, Ebra, Akwetiago. We are having discussions on every minute, and I say every few seconds, we review near Air Costo. Or Chenamia Duma, Russia, the police commanders in finally, Ewomiho, or no Yanidiana and pay, Mensumi, no phone, but physical no channel, Shomuna, they will review whatever we have put in place around Sotum last stop, Elko Omanjo Honinano.
But one question somebody would want to ask or find out, and they say, Sadia, we know, move for C, say, a idea BTVC. And I post if we deploy or move to the area to make sure, say, sanity prevails. So, our police for they were all helpless. In the videos that we have seen, as somebody see to start to say, Cocoso. Now, post if for now, now, what to create a Johnny.
Some 3 weeks ago, the Peking intelligence said, and she I see into meeting people, even though our area no and coming on. The police commander now all shares with you. Ne 2 minutes echo beyond Omanjo. Into the police commander no Nejumano and Ga Central and Ga North. Into any divisional commander, yeah, Papa Kofi Sapon. Meeting people. Into we putting a lot of measures. Wow. And I need a political etnasi, where to celebrate the festival. In fact, meeting that's the reason why police were never on plan. They didn't come with much ammunition, They came there to ensure say so I don't know how the whole thing changed. Wow. And let's not blame the police too much. Behind the scenes discussions a lot. I agree say many things. And Yamia don't quite say you all those who violated me, I to we'll deal with them.
SOMPA FM.
Yeah, I am meeting. As soon as say, oh, we're going to say, you not go beyond this number of meters. So for you to go beyond that, when you say, meeting, what's that? Wow, and look at the police in Super Bar on you. They came in a normal that. But we really know that it will go to this extent because everything has been set in place before. And I was at the center of everything. But like maybe in police, we must always go beyond the boundary.
Sure.
Like people more measures.
Sure.
I cannot
we big Adishia etie SOMPA 106.5 FM lewi. Se buko aye Facebook walls is here. Bo say videos no enenam ho atwegu. Se uhwe pa se nipa na enwo bo atwede na ye kuntokwa na etu otutu na posifo edwane for cover. Hey Ghana, are we safe? Now honorably answer na meja okra no. Na Adishia ewo so tuo mu ni sa areas wo nyina no. Se no they are fearing for their lives. What message would you send out to them? And then secondly, one more kum eye addition no and now mama sa nyambrasa misi no ya kire wo mo ana
yo assurance me ye no mo muti omanjo last record you know na ni say nothing will happen. Police for our grounds. This time around, like I told you, we have planned beyond near AC. The police were around with all the appropriate accoutrements. So they should just be calm. Nothing will happen. But the kind say we will not encourage groupings. Say area program. Now we have suspended program. Everything has come to a halt. The young say will gather at one place or more any celebration and I say any party or something there be another but it's a juma obi go school obi go the shop obi call wherever no they can go about their normal duties. Nothing will happen to anybody. But groupings are any program no we have put that one on hold for now around Oman joining junior area so everybody should be rest assured.
Now, one more years and they in Chirobia.
No, police were acting microphone, but you see those ones. Let's hold on for now.
Maybe one more year shooting a kumu microphone is established a positive phone account.
And I make us say, Omukusu Muchi Bibri, but I say, Yeka say, will be 80 in Timothy Yachi Kufia, not Amansu Janepa Baby. Don't worry, they are on it. And very soon they will address the media now. Where anybody connected to the issue, I actually know. They will let the media know. Because
information I mean, bare mid morning, he crash say 1 year 222 no the kum addition. You say 1 year and they are being pursued by the police. It's for that reason why I may finding out from you. What I say,
yes,
as we
yes,
speak, as we speak now, no, opposing force are come one.
But from what they are connected to the issue, no. Everybody involved. In fact, I told you, say, there's 13 rules in place before festival, no. And so almost violated rules in Ethiopia and some of them, but the actual people, no, and I know with time, no, they will tell you, they'll give you the briefings. And the no, let's be rest assured. Anybody who couldn't follow rules now, anybody Biara or fan no, the rest assured say. Police for Sabekano because then the Omote will get them and will make sure say you know family council.
Once again, Adishia Ewohono, their security, say is very, very paramount. Once again, before we let you go, no, kindly assure them in the Ga language.
Okay. Papa Fai will Mimi ke mo fe moni ameyo omanjo akutu mi fe ke ya dwene unye gbe fe mo fia mo ate etui awemi moni te no ejinu ko ni opa gba ke baba se ene bo mu no hani wo ke wo man SOMPA FM meni asani amenye mlami ndi police for what this part ami baba o ke wo mami this time they are well prepared amenye ni bini amara ke sa whatever will happen, Asana, more fair, more church, with more family. Aya, they feel if you know, can school, ya, I know ya can do a home, 1 year only. Or some could see what would any men you can make a look about the Ekumi, Awake, a Finuku, a fee party, a little open a cry. 1 town more family, Anya, and move around, but tell a fee gathering can look well at Darby. When I finish, Mapafai, or feel like I should be police way near me. And this time, many things I'm often you walk Shake, Black and Bayi Juba.
Honorable Adote, oh, you adore, you are joy. Okay. Yo, Ebusha for SOMPA 106.5 FM. The MC4 Guard Central and I'll tell some D and Komono ni adute on this particular issue. Pato. Yeah.
Wakasa.
That's how I heard videos. Post for
I have police for need.
Now, I don't know. Sometimes I get a bit worried because
some guitar can give you.
Double crack, and even if they are security situation,
run for your life.
And if you grab bulletproof, grab the
run for your life.
Bibi and Shawmo. And now I quit by election. That's a post for you now. Is that what they want to tell us? Oh my goodness, Ghana.
So sad.
We are sick. Oh, Debbie, my producer says I should. No, we are really sick. We should change our mentality. Let's change our mentality and way of thinking. Let's change it. Let's be blunt and let's tell them. Because it could have happened to me. Me driving through that A stretch, I could have been caught up in that A. So say Ghana security. The friend said peace. Nano rank is here. Check here.
Peace
rank. I told you to check it. They said yeah. That's a drop a saying. In the last 5 or 10 years, wouldn't the Padua as a result of some of these chieftains skirmishes in this country? Why are we doing this to ourselves? No, we should wake up as a country. We should change our mentality. Why wouldn't we change our mentality? If you thought this I'm reliably informed, say, on Hinina Nebano, you put 10 times. Pay. So why?
Is here number 61st?
Yes.
Global Peace Index.
First name was saying.
And first, near what? And something about 2025, 2024. Near war 55th.
Then I see you dropped 6 places.
This year was 61st.
All because of some of these things.
163 countries and I'm 61.
And the police for Namuti said police need back where you munya and tear cry a tear and it's a police need back who crowns
Because I say Ghana has to say a man for 2 in your message show a dozen. I think the country must wake up. We must wake up. We must wake up. Roger T.D. Wilson, Samuel Darko na pom to say. And your brother is on fire. No, but Charlie, serious.
It is.
No, very, very serious. In the country that we live in, it is very, very serious. Suffice it to say that night, no, now war area more. Say two bit me account.
Yeah. Once a prof, all canon. Once a usually say same see a nipan, udi can you who free scene so na me ni honti ebinu ne nya. But when you said it could have happened, say na me drive it through. And I'm like, no, it's not far from me,
Sure.
Me. And it's not far from Obia Wuti.
Sure.
And so we should talk about it with the person say nka ebetimi ato nyese wo firi ho ana wo ko hobi me because you see obi amane san obi.
Sure.
So your passion and with what you are speaking, I think is justified. Say nyese what you say, oh mete bronu e so na b4 enya e
dey wo dey emfa ho
obetimi akotwam
amanato.
Yeah, so it's very necessary that we talk about it with the passion with which you are addressing it.
But also be ni adote kasa na wi, you saw what he was saying. Say constantly they are there coming a year major.
Yeah.
And him for no. And then the boys in the down because he told us say major no more boys will hop. So to more boys will hop. So and Ghana how ade ba ko amehu ne say ye ni fa che honhom mo Ghana o ye ni fa che honhom mo Ghana. That kind of forgiving spirit, we don't have it. Retaliation. NDC MPP ni ye MPP ni adia obe find kwan bi obe retaliate.
Abochi o the NDC ni MPP bar, then you are moving the thing from...
No, Debbie, I am talking. Roger, please. What I am saying is that in this country generally,
you see,
maybe
the say from the very at which you are coming from.
No, listen to me.
No, but Prof, even so, if you per se critical analysis of such chieftaincy issues, you ain't mean politics in frame. We cannot. Minia, let's be honest.
No.
Some of these Menka said this particular one, but some of
we
these
talking, there's a subject on the table.
No. And I
Roger, allow him. I'll give you
on the politics, but Mami Huni say Onyan drifting entirely because I thought that some of these are him from some MPP and this is actually. Yeni MPP are him for Kroma. Yeni MDC are him for Kroma. Yes. Ohini bi
Oba TV so be kasa.
Ohini bi o Philip.
Say media be party way. But meanwhile, in their institution, they are supposed not to be neutral.
Yeah. So when you bring politics in, I don't think personally say it's too much of a drifting from the topic.
Sometimes
sometimes you see maybe they say this particular you cannot talk about this violence devoid of politics, SOMPA No, so I'm telling you that there is a subject on the table. Something has happened. So as nationalists,
listen. Roger, I will not allow you to.
Okay, and the MPP before they got to it.
You can
also not say NDC before count.
Debut.
You can also not say
listen, I have not made no, I have not made that allegation. Don't put words into my mouth.
No, I'm not putting words into your mouth.
Please.
What I am saying.
Please.
What I'm saying.
No, Roger, I am telling. Please. No, I will not listen to you. No, withdraw that statement you have made. No. Withdraw it.
In what?
No. For saying, say, me say.
No.
So withdraw that statement. No, withdraw that statement.
Okay, so I withdraw the fact. Withdraw. Then we'll say. What I'm saying is, the subject on the table. Is adia you say yeah politics
nobody
criticize the thing
obianfa politics embata
but
listen Roger don't complicate the issues for me me na mete ha and I make us a Ghana ha nyina no ye nyina no kra no ye need forgiving spirit and I was making an example not even related to this particular one.
So when I try to come in say you taking assembly.
Ghana, we don't have the forgiving spirit.
Oh, and
so obiadia, king,
tooth for tooth.
You don't say that.
No, and okay,
Sadeno, I was a Ghana jai.
Good. And
we have to stop it.
And I make us say,
we have to stop it as a country.
But
it can start from today, and it belongs on you and me to start it.
Yeah, but I won't say
to campaign.
Abochi, when it comes to settling scores and issues, Eddie, sometimes it goes beyond just letting go. It will take greater grace. It will take greater grace to let go like that. Now also obi kakra na why na you post all the beche obeka juaka just say oh nka mpese be che later no asa ada no abasa obeje na
Charlie, this country, let's learn to forgive each other.
What you say?
Let's learn to forgive each other. Forgiveness is one of the greatest virtues the Bible espouses, but we don't go according to that virtue, that great virtue in the Bible. Yet we call ourselves Christians.
Prof.
Yet we call ourselves Christians. And I
want to add a step to it. We say, Oko Bible ma with forgiveness. No, it is not just a virtue; it is a precondition to Nyankopon so do boni beto no. The Lord's Prayer.
The Lord's Prayer.
Fire boni teyen said ye di wona wa form ye de ne tewo. Which means that from a contextual analysis no or textual analysis no, say one fa yonko boni antena Nyankopon timi fa de enchewo. And in fact, Yesu can story be your Bible ma explaining this thing very well. Or say na will be the or hinibika or bono or coin our hennes media tell. Or hinini drum notice says any pay me den a cateni, obi den a car watching a bosso. So they called him back to come and pay that nanny. Say the attorney no. Into me ka at the actor so say ye the why who Ghana ye Christo for mine. Say who ye Christo ni na wutie me Ghana ye kremo for mine because we virtually ye nyina ade baako. Say one fa obi boni antena. The Bible you read, the Bible I read. The
Quran you read.
So I'm just adding that.
So that's it. And that kind of forgiving spirit, let us learn to have it as a country. You understand? We'll move forward. And just say, National Reconciliation Committee. We'll get to the vexed matters.
Kweku, minim se wa ye she. Me kra man nane. Na so ebony show ho a embaso.
Mane hon sepeno. Ebony condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony Condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
It only the view means a condom. The condom mulia then it's not on but
Point homeopathy clinic. Ghana had the obi enim say ye prostate. Na baby omutimi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu asia. Na ye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Anase ye kidney, ye liver problem. Wo fa baby ena adjujo. Na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a be ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic. Na ye moa wo. Ema ne mema mo pa wo. Ye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Wo mo da mufua. Yare bia infections bi ne wo ho. Anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na kidney problem, prostate dear, and your endpoint homeopathy clinic. Kuma say, Ubehu endpoint homeopathy clinic. Ewa Konoma boy here. And na Accra Hanso so dear, Womujinemu Ankasa. I was painted by a friend share signboard, Who drew now Busasa Wope endpoint homeopathy clinic. Wobia Ebetro. For endpoint, Ewa 0244-867068 and 027-4234-321. Endpoint homeopathy clinic. Wamudemu. Hey, middle. Edrano pa wutimi to boase echichiwusi o ado na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima menya homka senti na ye bokoyi na me die me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfem me biem na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se efei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, Enukratrodo. Yas Herbal, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush. Ebusian Chamfa. Sawo pedudu 2 ewon kran ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and the brush abedwaso abebu.
Yo ebushafo ya bamu nyina akwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. And share so say, when you make one maso ya sene ade biada de ye de djumedi ebreo. De dikan ye Leicester Company Limited. Omnomri Yas Toothpaste, Yas Toothbrush. Ade abedwaman so e come up Yas Toothpaste, Yas Toothbrush. So sorry no pana obetwetwu sia Yas, numrea Yas. Brush no moto kama. Brush no so e cherry ye pa. Na the toothpaste no mint na wom de dem kodane pepa. Endim pacho se uye busuafo na mu behia toothpaste e wo mufia. Munkona munkope Yas Toothpaste and a Yas Toothbrush. Mo ankran ha mo pese mo tubi ton no. Monkai se mo be 050-161-9588. Mo kuma 050-1390-338. Sasana Dr. time da so doctor time da so yare kwankro otenete usisi ya oya wenya stroke wenya njojoye utifie uji nwenje na mpono se ya sichire yade adwunso yiya na ewo so mojabro so wahra na obrabom upese ofa efro enso so na efro na opese ofa no nyama ni nhye da nkoye mawa medima for herbal center doctor time da so malaria ne typhoid the otenete the cha kwan won kran ha ewo poko ase mayira sase na uhwe no kumase a o ebokọ agogo bia ne gamen school ni di enhwe no mo obetimi afren no 0244 774282 0500 727215 pacho weni nyuma komienu a o madi kan a o maso ya sere tontina 74 electroland Ghana meka o mo hunsam e di akire mo na ma me nhyia asem free papa roja me shasi free wonchen saka so nche saka ma kwa ba
yenua
boko de
anyam ya do mo da yegusu kakra
constituency ti sen
constituency boko
ye da nyam
o za ma shefita edi
na che se o chena nkunim de na
eno a enye tide e bi
o za me da se Roger
Keba.
Okay, so Roger
Keba voice kasanso de kwa eba ya Keba boys kasanso de kwa de no ye no na we
Roger mama
the battle is the ground
Roger
Keba
ready and then the Messiah Buchi. Roger, quick one on the Tokonu's issue. Now she's been relieved of her position.
Okay.
Quick one on that.
Abochi, the time I mean for Queens, na minchia the president, the fine gentleman on the land, the visionary leader, the man that sees the future, the man who is the president for the future. What you say, His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama. Na minchia na bedete first female award rise to the highest state and status in the political history of the country, and then believe say be encourage other female politicians and I said the female people in the country to also aspire for greatness. Professor Jenana Opoku Ajiman na minchia abaimu appointees ni na minchia chief of staff onoda omano na minchia the Ahoy brothers me papa nom na mefsa emfa akwenye sanchia yan party chairman, the tactician, the strategist. I mean I getting it. Dodo na name no as General Mosquito. Na nidi ankasangasa ne papa editor no Honorable Johnson Asiedu Nkatia. The man for the movement, the man on the ground, the man who is bringing us victory tomorrow at Akwetia. Now, Abochi, CJ issue no.
Just about a minute on that.
Yeah, CJ issue no there. Issue the country has been calling for. Okay, surveys akoso and reports akoso over the years. Oh my God, no one will say now the whole country any GDA the judicial system. Afrobiometer for a year report 2022. And omuba out say as yet Ghana we nimpa 35% of Ghana's entire population. Only 35% to Ghana. Now Ghana. Only 35% and a GDA or judicial system. About me bisao. Even our school grading system no for A B C just a way crying do C wa bon. What I say? Maybe about you man, you see one mommy time. Mommy kasa, mommy build the case.
1 minute.
Let me build the case. So if you ask me and I'm not able to talk and build the case, how would the listener?
So Roger, today the main subject for conversation.
Yes, is okay. So you let me build the case. And the survey, 65% of the Ghanaian populace do not believe in the judicial system. Now CDD Ghana survey 2023. I say 80% of the respondents say the judicial system has political interference, therefore identifies the leader as a political figure. Sisiano.
So you feel that action that has been taken
is solid. It represents the will of the people.
All right. So
and for that matter, she should now go and continue her political career.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mamenko menu anchana friends Rima A quick one on this one.
Prof, many 10 seconds.
Okay.
This is one of the discussions at a bar so first. My poster was in PhD. The share said the share said the nequa a win and your surprise. The Mecca going forward, they say it was said yes, such a name beam because over your constitution, I were 3 arms. Ubia head elected, but 1 is appointed. The moment there is an arm which is alleged to be as equal and as powerful as others, 1 and a point, you realize that the influence of one on the other the American say we have to get to a point where as Omani benya national conversation around the fact that a kwan ben so ne be fa so any chief justice. Na ehu a kwan be fa so any chief justice are going forward no. We may not get to this point where one head of equal arm will have the power over the other.
Okay. All right, so thank you so much. Chaka. Yes, sir. Yeah, let me take a listen to you on this one.
And you do
one a minute.
Mami chia do me kwa benya fo nyina. Any MPP fo nyina. Na when person making bibi. Now they say grandma 40 ho ndie. Asema America ne say. Die si no. Ya set president bi a ochena oman no. E wo say ye dwen ho biem. Because say obi kire say Afro barometer kire say a political interference there. Minim kwan a ye no minim institution ekwa appointed the new chief justice of mo person ko fa ne ba. But when you to me nti ne obekasa na wa ho emrepemu no Ghana for na ankasa ebesan kasa atro mo say the insecurity even in this country and even beyond the chief justice bo mo de aba say ne so atse ekun obi a na I'm just expecting say Bole Sola Bamboy
Tuna
President Krum said the Wayama Chief Justice no almost in dream rao. Na mi hu se ntokwesi wo Ghana. Ma Ghana fo anka se tuko Burkina. I confirm to you and the nipa na etu akọ Burkina. Aboti Prof.
All right. So in terms of security, that is why sometimes I get
Chief Justice yi. Omotu ni said the omutu IGP. Inti security the better ye. What's the judicial
That's
system
where you're coming from. But who can say so? I mean, this was a petition filed
by who?
An individual.
Oh, individual.
Yes.
An individual now.
We know. Don't let us. Don't listen. No. But let's put the facts right.
Prof.
Deputy. Put the facts right.
Lecture room. But I mention individual. Obi any baby ofi. Na Ghana obi any individual akro. Individual no send this jumper.
Or send this
jumper. Hey.
NDC for the permission.
Now who to come on tea? What the other prof won't say? Oh, the onam na tete. And I miss my bone.
Was say
what the onam na what tete. And I made my tutu pay.
Okay, so you were not surprised at the decision?
Oh no, not surprised at all.
Thank you so much.
No, not surprised at all.
Roger T. Wills. Yeah, quack with you. Outcome. Ochina. Then he expected.
With the president, the people of Akweti are going to vote for development. Omoko to aba apa obi a odi mpuntu ebeba. Na Akweti afo tie mi a. Oni ma de ba ko a eyemede ewo Akweti a.
Then e yode.
Onim say MPP for candidates no or client.
MPP for Asumedu.
Yes, or a client.
Or a client.
Oh, Onya Sema, Yen a Kamano.
Asema na okay.
Debi Onimo.
Debi Ade Onya Sema.
Onya Sema, Yen Yeko Jina.
Wone wine.
Yen lawyers no.
More than lawyers.
Yen lawyers.
Lawyers, man. I mean, me macho nya butre mami. Me macho Chaka, allow me.
No friend wa say. That's say onye lawyer.
But what is wrong with that?
Good.
No. Wait. Listen.
I'm building a case.
No, you don't build that case in that way.
Who said?
No.
Who said?
One said.
Me building a case.
One say debut. Even debut. Me
Ochimasa. Momo charge and bill lawyers now.
Me yimu nyina free. Me yimu nyina free. Me yimu nyina free. Yeah, ma me nka asam nkyerɛ. Sɛ me abucha me tie sɛ me NDC ni. Na me nya kisa. Na me feel sɛ me nua ma ɛyɛ MPP ni. No betimi ahwehwɛ agye me court. What is wrong with that?
Me check asem aba. Me say obi tu see na
oh they be bad but sanya man no ya fan kasa
agano ya gbedi ni TV
na say dey who tu see na who chuku see
say o ti mi tu mira na ma kire me bi esi sa na ti itunu ma me kwan na me pensen mu na me biebiem we you biebiem na bolu a na obi unsa bolu ede what you say me ka kire o say nipa ko ne say ono ani campaign mu o campaign no o say hono egudi na mutu na parliament no omo ma ne nko na omo mutu egudie na omo krom no egudie na mutu na parliament no me ma wati ase se eye mrahye bedwefie eye law ho asem na yeye na ono no ni god no otu no ana ni mine no oye no onya asem a ye na ye kokama no akwetiafo etie minim sa asem we se MPP candidate no ono onya asem a ode ba ye oye client ye na ekoka asem no na sisia no wo a wonya asem enye wo na otumi koka no o ba se ye nto so aba na kodi community na asem no o ti bi wen
na parliament ye di asem obi o
na parliament ye bro say ye bro ma she be dwafi mi bo
na ukodi
mine na ye o parliament mine na ye o parliament ye mine wo parliament
ye nya mine wo parliament but
ye semra o parliament ana
ye semra o parliament
lawyer ni mine na oh lawyer ni mine na one semra
so you are now speaking
so me can just say me buy bonu mu ma me buy bo mu wi a obe won say we this watch has beans abin what you say because ye pe obi manako gina akotiafo na mu akosembra e de nyama tuye ehun the way obesimi akasa oye campaign growth me nkasa or say vote for me on sentiment
but Roger
see let me tell you the politics of yesterday is gone.
Let me also ask you
ask you
say e wo ye mrase bedwemo no I am parliamentarians do you think say Ghana ha you vote based on say nipa no e am renim ni
Ghana the days na e vote mo bia keke o but this time around the political landscape and I say the political face in Ghana e change any time now obi say I am popular na maba sisi ano people want to see what you can offer the change you can bring to the community and the development that would affect their lives it is sisi ano the air can say oye client ye ndi na say no say ye nim no oye client onya asem a ye na ekokama no nti akotiafo e say asem bi ba kotia eye lawyer e na be kokoka what you say enti no omo beto aba no e di ama lawyer no omo nto aba no ema MPP candidate no because ono kro utimi nkasa utimi nye campaign me ba se bedwafie no nkofo da ho bebre omo nkasa MPP no apart from de
ana NDC for no so bi sa munyina dukada ya
ye kasa ye do so ti kasa no intense but omo
me ba cho etifo obi send me message say or sharing wo Facebook na mpacho uko Facebook as streaming no and that whole page no live and to go in Facebook page Sompa page no ye wo Sompa live na boss Sompa live no so o boss Sompa live no so a me pacho ade a unsa betimi aka na otimi ahwe dwumadie. Thank you so much.
Na omuni pa ba ko say Ochina
Sompa 106.5
Ochina say ye wini a obe resigning from the seat. Me no surprise so obe wi no abeka kire say rhetorics, political rhetorics because onanga akro ba o camp. How can somebody who speak lies like this or who baby o follow now say we are a liar? No obetumi resign Ochina obe lusu na ye hwe okro wam so obe resign
na you are speaking as if you are God.
Let me tell you, God will not do anything on this earth without revealing to his servants the prophets. Yeah
Roger Baminasi.
Don't me because I will be some question my answer my fa bibi ntuaso. What you say?
Roger
oh massa can you do so relax chill up
me bacho aka 1 minute
Akwetia set no is coming to the NDC. Me say or no say or say yo. Here it is high time we have to uphold the integrity of the parliament you are running, because if there is any clause that we have to your friend is saying propel, and I say yes pack it to remove him based on this declaration. We have to start being serious in the country. What do you mean if I sit what spending time energy to swaba anybody to on someone else's contest? Me say ochina MPP be lusu we susu. I demand say obe resigning as you have said.
Thank you so much. Chaka, Mamintiwe.
Prof.
Yeah.
You say what do I not done where?
Bingo.
Na minuano minim said your tie fititi. Ti anya me wanwa. What I say? No bi otimi ka say Nyankopon reveal asema prophet there. But prophet no mean ka say ntia prophet bi ana. You say but a creator so. Inti ehun kremu papa. Inti no say o kana o say obi twa ntro obi e ba o me a obi e wan ene cry it mu. Akutiafo no they vote based on competence. Obi a wo say 8 months cry won't mean he. Ene DVL a wo ko bia no obi na CEO e na wo ko ho. Say wo ko bie. Enye wani wo. Say obi lawyer you obi. Na the lawyer no so otimi di asema. Sebi otimi debi meba prof say lawyer need media asema nke na skumi omutu ni rada nkoma tu na duro.
Oh Debbie, please Roger, please don't come in, please. No, Chaka. No, Debbie, wait for my command before you withdraw. Pacho,
oh, Matria sign.
Pacho. Oh, because our listeners are hurt.
Mate.
Oh, say you are sorry to them.
Oh, I'm very sorry.
Okay, good.
But the American say a lawyer for fetish prisons who are a lawyer. Prof, lawyer na American, you fetish priest. Into be an enubi no can. Into the anyahe. You would insifo omudi lord ya and yate. O de dinsini no onko na parliament. No onko tonko kodro mai. No ntoma akweti afo. Na NDC MPs. O say
Taliban check my bisa mo na mo message be na mo de nam e wa akweti aho.
What's the message be na de nam? No, see your message is so simple. Yenua say me ho ye ofedodo. Yenua me ho ye ofedodo. Yenua eneskumi no dwumadi a odima akweti aman ene Ghana de MPP ayama akwetia ene omo kate sword no eye MPP project no omo ko bia no nti anu ne yegina so etro mo say omo nto abama aban a odwen omo ho Ghana fo anya omo adwese nko mu 2 MPP o na omo ntie ye ene enyoma aba ya ton ye color TV akwaje black and white and the insecurity baby
o say enyoma aba no.
Oh yeah,
ahụ am no mo to san enyoma
Ghana for na eto.
Oh yeah, sure.
No mo support o kra ka say dollar na no mo de wa ho mo ho no dollar no kra san teaching ana wonti
atichi na edu sen
o say
edu sen
o na say dollar na kwanzu ko 12.
Oh sir.
And now Abochi grab turn 13.5.
That's why Abochi near me deal.
Okay, and the Gaga for turn 13.5. Gaga for turn 13.5. What I say? Omo say mra. Omo buy omo say too many taxes and then omo introduce just 8 months. More than 12 taxes. More than 12 taxes.
Sane man nyina mo de campaign wa kwetia.
Na de ne fanye. Obi a wo say Nyama boy day. Oba betiso no. Oba no skyrocketing. Say na ya to fu mu ana unim.
Oh there be between 3 and 5.40%.
What's it?
Between 3 and 5.40%.
LPG 5.7%.
No, you said petrol.
Yeah, said I mentioned.
You said petrol.
Petrol, LPG.
Because you didn't make mention of
LPG. Probably, Minister corrected it. Petrol, LPG, BBR, and they are 2 BBM. Yeah, the deal levy be by. Yeah, so near my cosra. Yent me near EBR, and once you know, yes, Uncle Chegumu. What I say? Inti Prof, the American Nana say, the people of Ghana.
Yeah.
The people of Ghana. Akwetiafo, akwetiaman, enim say, asimedu, eyo bia, obetimi abuo mo parliament. Because, omunim ejuma na eneskumi ya anum. Enya wanwan so omokoye no na omode sa mafia tatis ne kwa nkrofo ni dwae. Intend
they say don't get here.
Oh yes.
But say don't get here. They say in the office here.
Oh, Debbie. Na say ade no omudika.
Oh, do ko baby how you say.
Debbie. Asema make prof me to say. But they make can say. Sebi.
But then you appropriate.
Yes. But sebi yes, and I make no. Because omudika Debbie. Debbie slogan.
On that funeral ground is a crowd here. It wasn't appropriate.
Even the church room we dey do.
Oh, Debbie. Oh, there into there men ka hey. Sebi. Manu sisi munaso. Men ka se obi wu. Chairman Ofosu Ampofo. Se oteto a.
Se bibitu no a.
Se bibitu na. Na se du
nketi.
No. Million na ye because. Se du nketi ama me ye.
But please. But what I want you to do, Nene, say you don't have to make mention of any name. But bibitu NDC ni bia.
Yes, bibitu na.
NDC ni bia.
No, Debbie member.
No, Debbie.
Prof, what dey make us make asem so.
Debbie, no. It's a conversation.
Bibitu NDC ni bia.
Okay,
but me sure reason why me use the chairman. Because minim say oni ese edu nketia had issues. Se bibitu na okọ nebusu efia no akwes assign.
But some people are also saying
they
were campaigning and it was from campaign grounds they got there, so they were in that mood.
No, but if you are in a mood doesn't mean say you wu asem near kan. MPP for ehun say Tamale Central there akoka yenua mutala no. Then MPP for kan almost say for the interest of the nation, any bereaved the family they don't want to create a problem.
Okay.
Into omo ye den omo twa omo MPP for omo antwa omo enfi Tamale Central election. What was it for? And for the interest of the country. It's a bibi
but this is not the first time. I remember saying Tama Kumasi, a friend is saying Ashanti region. You see Deputy Minister for Finance.
Yeah.
Your friend. Just say NDC for withdrawal.
Oh no, and I made sure say yes, but say Yankoye Sanuamano. Into we no, I say my American Yankoye Sanuamano. It's for the interest of the country. What I say. Oh, now also will call contest. Nobody is fighting you. What I say, but you may be oh yeah, it was so shiny ye. You see a wadian now who can none if I tie. Send me tea. Some me can't hear you that or cut him the mention sign.
Sure.
Yes. Into an American because the people of Ghana, any say, dear MPP can't yen na any the MPP ye na no. I feel no omo who omo niso. The NDC forecast on Beno, and ye buy ye. Omo buy no mo per kwan at the Bokun Tokwase ye candidate, presidential candidate. Nyamia on pe boni. Nyamia on kwa lata memu and so abesi Ghana. Say nyameno or dasu tikruma. Won't you why?
I know the Kramenko, Medase.
Mammy fancy. Oh, they move on call. Messi won't be why. Because in a child say, that's a Ghana insecurity at Dawson. Into my main cabin good way.
Baby.
Oh,
it's your time, Mess about.
Kwashibu Hen and Madame Fu.
Mess about,
sir.
I'll come back.
Into Min Trasso.
Into Trasso.
Hey.
Debbie. Now,
what time are we using? Let me check it out.
All right, SOMPA 106.5 FM. For God and country, you may be a line, 0260 1960 64 0260 196.065. Mami Kel say Tontina 74 ewo dwaman so. Tontina 74 ewo dwaman so. Ebrebi etwemu no. Na ye num duduo. Duduo no ahahan eni edua your friend say bna eni yakabom ni yase anopa no wetwa bi. Enwumre no wetwa bi. Eno no nya de awo be yade o. Ba ni senti no eye Tontina 4 etimi aka. Eye ahahan ni ndubina ni niema bia bomu a wo mu de omo so omo de ayedudu saa dudu no numu a yade a me pacho se yare kwankro ebi nya woda se obenya esichiri yade se obenya mujabroso se hepatitis na kire wo se mpo no kidney ni wabrabo mu na ha wo me pacho bomodin sisi na kope Tontina 74 T74 ene be ka wasema mawo se mpo no wo yemkuro ana se wo yobi a wo kasa nipa ho a che se sentinel fi wenu mu ba no a enye papa no me pa to bomodin pa Tontina 74 T74 ene betimi aboa wo pa oba ubu nsa na obi ehu na ho kire wo obi o ho a che se wa bo wasa asma ana obu na ye ogia obi o tena ka mu cha na ne nase nyina ataata me pa to bomodin na kope Tontina 74 or T74 me pa to it's an immune booster me patcho a prophylaxis bomoding na pebi na fatufie anope bia no bomoding na bobi enwumre bobi waho ubobi ade afra ne yade pa de ebi nche woda me patcho sia no so uye abaiwa ana uye maame a wafa efuru a edroi enye mawo se uye oba uma akoda no fo enye mawo uye akoda under the age of 12 years ye patcho enye mawo Tontina 74 ni dudum so opea 02460 73498 again 050 162 8931 050 162 8931 we do any trade drugstore pharmacy shop here ayadia onsa ebekebi na saka say Electroland Ghana Limited electronics papa fie no Electroland for me patcho mu ye brutal me patcho so per electronics a eye papa there Electroland Ghana Limited product bi a wo hia bia no ya de a won sabeka say ye TV say ye air condition say ye fridges say ye washing machine say ye kettle say ye rice cooker say ye microwave me nyina bi wo ho na wo matete omo niam aboso esan say dollar no aba form ama cedi na nya hoden ti no ukoto electronics e bo aba form. And again, in addition to that, you know, you have 15% discount. There's such a watch the account. One per way now pending. Electroland Ghana Limited. When a check wine, will Techiman Bia any backs on the dish anymore. Oh, main Kumasi station. Kumasi, she show more Kasi Junction, any Tech Junction, and crying. One more dental barrier. Dansuman runabout, industrial area. Be Animal Complex, they didn't share anymore. They have offices everywhere across the country. Sunyani, Mankasim, Cape Coast, Stakrade, and Tamale. Better reach them on 0245 949495. 0245 949495. When you abuafo, one so Omaso Yasin in the for God and country, yeah, the Ebro. Mamenko, a year, menu in China. Ima?
Prof.
Yes, on Aquatia, yet you.
I think say Akwatia election no. If the projections are right, Otiname you're surprised to say Akunyani Beko could NDC for himself. I'll not be surprised.
Why are you leaning towards Musa Dankwa?
Yeah, but before Musa Dankwa winning, I think somewhere ending of last week, you know, I realized something about MPP, and then who say Omaton Akwatia seat, not intentionally. On my mistake be a on my tongue equity seat.
Mistake be no way.
Men kai Ghana for ya. Abra August 6 incident in this year. Was it August 6 or 7? 6. Right. And Tamale Central ebe dam pine. And NPP for declare intention say sa constituency omo call by election no because of reasons here menu penny estate here. Muye ya na afe mu make suggestions directly and indirectly say oh yakura Tamale Central ya cause NDC for some back here. Now the moment you have that posture it sends a signal to your opponent to say we are weak. Prof Minim said, "You make an what here. Many will come to qua, many will cock. Osi oh, make a obo me hanema mo be the entire Albertonza. If as a party mujidi say akwetia seat no, mubeti mi arenia, I think say that posture was wrong for MPP to make. Mode Tamale Central ache. Can't you Tamale Central they achemo.
No, but to share Brian a ball mania. DSC and an error was a
Prof. Yes, Tamale Central no man corner na mistake no. Asem any omu posture after doing that. 2 statements.
Okay.
Tamale Central na de memma na sa obe tumi wa kwetia. Ye be bone friendem.
Why do you make it that statement?
Make it 2 statements. Now here analysis.
Okay.
Tamale Central no ye de atemu die nti am pese mo ba kwetia. These are 2 different statements sending 2 different signals. Political parties there or no or hose obe protected ne political gains. Say NDC for who say Equitiano enye likely say omoberenia omobeko all right, but omahoden a omodi bekom no enye te say de obehu say ade yebetimi arene. The moment a obema a party in government are realized that sa akonya we ubetimi age no omo investment into that whole election will be different. And share critically all events that have happened since Akwetia bedaho and since Tamale Central ebedaho, and after MPP for Elko Akwakase Tamale Central na yemma na dienti amoba Akwetia realize that NDC for energy SSI. And that is why me from where I sit, me who say MPP for aton akonya no ama NDC for. And I think over the weekend Friday also no more year 1 week, you know, one prominent MPP Nibisu committee that same statement say Tamale okay say Tamale Central krano ye jama mo ena obi ewu na esebi obi ato ena mo so tintina atwa mo pese bitintin inside. Now it may look as though you are appealing to the emotions of your supporters, but it sends a signal of weakness to your opponent. And if you have a party like NDC, Honorable Johnson Esedun Ketia, a very tactical politicians, and you can say by elections, you send a signal to him and his party that so whatever happens tomorrow, say MPP lose, they should blame themselves. They had the opportunity, as at the time, Honorable Kumi Efrimono, now share Enframa, Ebo, Equitia, and all that. It showed say na seat no a bit me likely a bit me asking about MPP ho. But from where I sit, after that single gesture of the Tamale Central chairman tintina trampe someone here be kon Equitiano, that sent a different signal that as NDC say ye yiri ye ho na ye my investment ekọ ha say ya a bit me are in election. And that is why we are seeing what we are seeing. How can it be senka 2 days to a by election ya na ye kwakoye sa commission we na ye na ne hihebo ni ye omo hu say Akwetia no so omo mo ho de kakra kuma ombe. And once again MPP from my point of view has sold Akwetia to NDC. That's what I have to say.
We are for SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra, and we are live on Facebook. But my main say you bet me din komo every Akwetia and some of my callers na ebusian shan so number mobile phrase so 0260-196064 0260-196065. And you know, me ba just say no obetimi afre. You can call and be a part of the show right now. But 0260-196064 0260-196065. Obetimi afre now do adventure Eddie about. Whilst we await the callers to call in and also make their submission. Na chaka na opeso ka baby but I say ba me ko na me receive calls ni we. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Okay. I thought you line so kakra ba me. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Aja.
Yes, sir. Me ba so wana me ne ka say.
Me ba so bright me am kasa fra abosokan.
Bright kasa fra abosokan. Wada ban pacho eti why?
Pacho nyame insha pa ni duma ye. na mincha yenya ndis ni no no onko so a enye tumaden fa so party no eni o mangana sha yenna yeti o man we mu taroto say na yeyi isi ni bie frisuda MPP forever abemu omuka so ombe yi sharoto floor e mampa ombe abemu na omu yi sharoto floor sene yeyi chief justice efiwa MPP for anya no kasa ade na MPP for mukra mutisa ye besre akotiafo se be biedulu election bi adwintre abra na ye wa omuwa akotia etina ombeto abano omuhwe so ombeto abano ede ama NDC candidate na SRT John Dramani Mahama ni nyoma papa oye no ebi so akotiafo so na wo a wo be wa adwinse ukọ akotia na wakoye basabasa ye bia o wakoye nneoma bia ense fata no police force wo a omulu be di ni nyonyo enye ntokwa mo bia nkoye ntokwa sem e wakotia omuma asuri embra akotia na election enye peaceful enfama Ghana for na mami cha ono abo ma de jibri na minim se o titini bia e ba be kan eta
Midase Pastor Benjamin, so you can also call 0260 196064 0260-1960-65. Now, also we are drinking we have some birthday wishes here I'll be doing, but that would be after picking the course. But check another person, okay, baby.
Media make can say, yeah, menu and watcher na drink. I think say most of the research no more canon. Musa Dan Kwade say waka, but say me bahai I know it is close. And we are taking back our seat. Very close, but we are going to win the seat. Now, elections, the dynamics in the dorsum. The MPP didn't say that out of fear.
SOMPA FM.
Say, yede Akwetia, yede Tamale Central seat no, Emo Muntino. They expect on be my Akwetia seat no. Na MPP, Osha the na. Any campaign ya de call grounds.
Hello.
I'm in Pikicola. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me bacho one minute kasai.
Me kazan free Accra.
Accra and Hefa.
Uncle.
Okay, uncle, me bacho hit you.
No sir. No sir, omo ankasa na omo ku. And on another tree and the elected second and the other person. I will go on here. Come here. Obi amu kusikam. Selo to se amu kusikam wan kasa amu dum amu kusikam. Yedi enso amu. Oba
Let's talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Bebacho wana menene kasai.
Bebacho we ya unu ya Felix Bell ahinkwa yilo krobo.
Oh, Felix Bell na mpacho what is saying?
Nyami adom bibi ye nyina ye ho ye.
God is good. It's well with us. Mpacho iti oi.
Medase. Wa mama me aponye ide mama chia the incoming flag bearer. Honorable Kennedy akompre ko hini ajefon. Nami chia Felix ya dan kwa Tema West incoming first vice. Na Abochi Obiti omu campaign message ni say omu di lawyer na eko enti parliament onu ye shemra wo. Mu campaign message no. Maybe some say one more parliament onyo omu nyina no mo ya lawyers ana. Na e plan na omanpani Mahama MP no na o lawyer. Enti say unye lawyer. Untumi di MP mani nyi. Na parliament onu ye di asem wo. E honya court. Ye be obia obetini ama emebu no anya adwuma e wo potem ho e wo constituency ho. Se wo ye lawyer no e mo bi adwuma wo. Na wo ye MPP abrante na wo ye akotia ono wo ye adwuma odi ama youth e wo ho a se akotiafo eto aso eto aba ɛma aberanteɛ no a aberanteɛ bɛbɔ mmɔden ama mmerɛgye no a ɛwɔ no anya adwuma ayɛ ɛno na akotiafo ɛhwehwɛ ɛnyɛ lɔya woyɛ lɔya a lɔya no ɛma obi adwuma ɛnti no yɛbɛsrɛ akotiafoɔ sɛ ɔmo nto aba no ma npp ni no na because aberanteɛ no n'ani ɛden na ɔnkɔ bɔ adwuma na akotia
me da se pass over adwuma so let me talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Me pa to wana me ne kasa yi.
Pacho me dey dey prokum kasa free question one.
All right, question man for ho ye dey, pacho eti o.
Na go for you.
Yo.
Pacho me pese me can be bitre MPP for penifo.
Yo.
Ye beto aba wo ayi abritman north no. Na NDC for ntika omo pack ska na omo che edeman ko for me nitia. Nti omo mani da o sa musa dan kwa research no ye no. Eye sika na omo che omo targeting ko bi nipa dodo bi no matter scan dia mo omo che people omo ni da pa sa research no omo ye no. Sika e na omo che ma manfo. Nti MPP mo ma mani da o nyese mo ko gina omo to aba na anye keke. Mo ma mani da ka bi e ba be siko na kona bia mo nye mo target sa aka no. Sika na ye omo che e de man ko fo ma ko to aba ndia mo. Nti mo ma mani da ho MPP for penifo ye pa mo cho mo ma mani da ho na aba na ye to no ye ni abre nti mo na mo nyese mo ko to aba na akotiafo mo ko to aba na Farmer Solomon on na mo ye nyina ni mo akotia mo ko to man no
me da se pass over adwuma no so 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good evening. Me dem udem yopo na
aba neke orubon watching like some countryman to market Accra Ghana.
Yo me ba to eti o
baba jo ho ye de
adomara kwa ho ye pa
e de kunyanku pom nshia pa na bia da omo am ye no mo ye dwuma radio station ye bon pa ye mom we de mu de ba ni yesu nya bistre every ni wo me monitor about tampa ha we kumsen ba woman organizer wa fa e kan kan bodo national chairman wa fa almighty bra champion we say of surprise MPP for papa no say oh bra no bra champion my goodness onu an MPP body ne ba we no de ken kwa opani me come at some so me say yankopon ya dom o kira ko to ba my west half ko NDC nya de no mo ye half we njem mi no kro mu nya enye ni pre na ye mu a enye ni pra dem form mo to test oh parliament anka die biom we go no NDC for MPP for mo marry and mo fa we nka ye den ni pre me say obi o pre na o ye ni pre de yankopon pre na do man be
But I say pass over radio so. You can also call and be a part of the show 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good evening. Me patrol me hoye pa. Me patrol one a minute kasai.
No, we can
me patrol so hot to say. Also hot to say.
Na me de why na from the account ni o man pani di amba ya boade.
Yeah, me patrol one a minute kasai.
We wa unya wadamfo Mr. Kure Asan Katefi Kaswa. Be a former MPP. Na me ka wo kontina ni to abubaru
ayo patrol etio right.
Na me wo akwenye nchia ona bo akuta. Ma di jo ashama. Ana me chairman ti wo so jare. Yakupon ko nso ma ni so wan ka wo mo bo mo di papa me di o man peni former vice president mo ya papa because o peni die debe yentresi emma atifua enfo na sen carboni bisi awo peni wo fi o ba esa se o tasu di wa ide wahwe edi hi ato yi incident esi wo achi wechi ewo from the league ase ma MPP fo ekwofo ye chairman national chairman in penifo bi ma ibi mo to block re kan ni ye ko ma penya de ye tra kem e ka ko na MPP so ka so SOMPA FM okay na wo so ko dem eno wo bi ehu sampa wo so fa boni eje tutu na MPP fo ye no bani ni enye mama because from national organizer akasa kwa means that every walking can not clearly say. Someone that don't you might do some members with your back. You catch them for some too. The baby, no, we are also very much say, or the Pasa, yes, I'm not police faction. No, the Papa Demon, I'm a one with them, but Nina Woodin, a sword, I'm betting. And easy of the form pool living because we will not see a work with ya. Open Dynasty, open traffic, open Japan, open City Group, one of our four, and that's a somebody, and what we are. Traffic could see, say, women are like their women are at least a binary before. Almost better now to 8 years, and then on the market here. There's a more. We do also.
May I say, Pastor Benjamin, so you can also call and be a part of the show. Remember, numbers to call 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good evening.
Chairman, the Lally.
Yes. One minute, can say.
A.K. Osumba Chairman.
Oh, what am I talking free?
Unia Evangelist, what is written?
Oh, what is written is written. Bebacho, it's you.
The Cassafre Asaraja. Now, what to say?
Yeah, who you pa? It's you.
You best say, Indian Makotia for when you Ghana for. Oman Rede de Anua, in Yanumania Tamfo. About when you quacoto near you be a obey MP or a Serenian Toka. The best repa and PP near DC, in Yanum, who must assemble a Triadin, then so Yanya Tamfo, and the best says or Chinano, Nagopon Ankasa, or no near Nim, nothing so. Yansa or Diama, Penifua, Mokakosia about on some. Oman Pepe, if you are see one mino, attention, we are near. Only chimneys you bought attention, yapa, the message on prepare pay, and got trouble prepare. Now do a safata with Dian, Yenfamano, not as from Jimra. The message, and the same I'm a second of Winyana, or may say the Yabaco for any. At the business again, and you know, be a soonness I can be back home, may more. And I will send about do Tibefa. And the best says, for me, Pantana. Now you go point their mind and Fanticho May, the Infant Queen, the chairman Penny Mahama. If you will be a random one home by Erasminia.
Mesomeda say pass over ready and also 0260 196064 0260 196065. We need number with me phrases so now also the way I drink Rabe boy ready and very soon you're best sorry so but if there's any call out there we want to join the conversation now 0260 196064 0260 196065. And the check, yeah, but sorry, every you made so. I mean, call Ima. Prof. Now on the Chief Justice issue. Yeah. You said, say, okay, so maybe. Let me exhaust the callers, but I continue. On the Chief Justice issue, now the final decision has been made. Going forward, what do you think, say, on my morning in ano? Yes, you free DS, you know.
My message question the kakana mean to us. Senka a lesson. Because yes, you be free. It was state for that. You're plain and simple. You're plain and simple.
It was state for that.
State for that.
The Omedia Charlotte say no.
And I did be because you be free.
Mami Nicola Winding common Mr. Wadama. Hello, good evening.
Hello, fine evening.
Me pacho dini be biya free.
Pacho udini Adofuasa.
Me pacho so udini den.
Adofuasa.
Adofuasa. Wadama pacho kasa free.
Kasa free Pokuase.
Pokuase. Pacho wadama yeti.
Me pacho. Ye omanya. Ni politics in free. Ye omanya. Ni politics in free. Enti se MVP ni no kasa ye no. Asema o kan ne se maya ade e ho. This a different government ba no be commercial. Eye boni ana. Numusa ne mano. Eye boni ana. Enti ko nhwe ma de ne se ni nsi wurem. School dan ya wasi sisi ho ni na ebo ma ne kai sisi wurem na. Enkwala eyi school ko am titi dua se ne dan ya asai no. Ene na ya mo fa na. young man before, and never do on my own kind of cray. Man of cranny me and never bow mine. Politics, propaganda, and Trono channel. Yeah, to say you tonight, Yahu, Echo. The Munya Contomponicha, and before to try someone with Gado. And then I'm what is that? You'll be ready.
May I say, so by Jumedia, so let's also think what you're thinking out there. Numbers to call 0260 196064 0260 196061. So I was just asking you a question, but let me attend to this caller before. Let's see. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. As his call has been put on hold, they are to hold. Bebacho beti me asa free BOI 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Bebacho Jinasu. Okay, so you're ready there. Let me talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Bebacho wana menene kasi.
Ya pabla na nkode.
Na nkode.
Aye.
Hey, eko hiding.
Eko de.
Then eko ding.
Abane eko to no.
Aha. Oh, okay.
Na
me bacho nyabo trema me. Na enko ding na bacho kase free. Achim akroso. Yeah, that's say yetiu.
Na abana yekoto no. Ye de kan say FPP. Yirim se nyaminti. Yibrim bi. Na mumani si fo onhwe. Na de onye wo abekuma no. Onme no wonko ye bi. Na wo de ka betro on say
SOMPA FM.
You bet you say what at him. Don't so a man as a educator or two kind of one. Say Nabasa will do obviously educated. You need to be saying watching us. Only a man of million. Only Emra Akia. Now, everybody in say, Yakotuaba. And as Kumian, as also the two Tatam Ababakia. You don't see any. You don't say, you blame. You have to go and blame. The price of the to blame. The become to blame. Now, Mr. Advance away, the battle after the Pinini Kata. Now, so for the no money fruit.
Me battle today.
Mr. Every Pinini Kata, and I will kill Canano.
I mean, you Chanano. And you can't some idea because I'm a cocos got him one. Now me Janice, I'm an Akakosa. Hey, Maza. Me da se so ba djumedi. Se pa so ba djumedi no so nyame hira so ba. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Davo.
Davo me wo ye pa mbacho u kasa free.
Mbacho we ya ofare am kasa tu body ase.
Body ase me bacho eti o ai.
Opani mami emo abaso o we ma pa we. Okay, after the person can say, the Excellency, the former Vice President, Tamamugo, yeah, Eko Kasai weekend, he said, a pressure, NDC for the toll, the leak, and the Akumiso, and we. The Busan say, when you are made, and a education, no court. Every day, no court, and also I pressure, and no pressure. Yenya finance minister at 40. Every day no court. They any pressure. And also I. Honorable former national chairman, honorable for SOMPA. Court to more than 50. Me pato no any pressure on the tono so. Oguni court no for and no any pressure on the tono so. Every before ever be there. Among country say no, and the partner of my Canadian talk. Open to me, Milano, Oman Kasomi campaign message. Our Quetia, the Chambo. Oh, yeah, the only send this business. It's woman, yes, I didn't need you send me out to car. And Hannah Cram, woman, yes, no, because on when you say anyama na omo kika enho ndi
me da say so be dwumadi no. So let's talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yes, sir. Me pacho why na me ne ka say.
Oh, yeah, wow, this is a coffee phobia.
Oh, Katabantu to say.
Oh, yeah, who are the one for Bibia? Come on, I can't buy we I got after Yanka. And
Akafia ko wedi.
You, Mommy, come and do the incoming flag better. Dr. Brown, a champion. I mean, just up here, Muhammad, incoming woman organizer. And I just could have in point, General Secretary. Can come with you so called next time. I block. I mean, Chief Justice is also more than the Miwa. Now, so the court, international court, no, say, Omofanage, Mamma, and just one fine year. Prof, who did me?
It's your
wife. You can't say, Mamma, on can I come back to me? And why NDC for Eddie Mammy, we are personal. On Payer. Now 2028 MPP bar and the judgment in BBR because we are court and you see a college mama. The sicker would get now the man on your kind of factory. And I the judge to Aquatia, let's say Aquatia mine. And this is what I almost say a buyer or a demon to a bamana. You go, you can't ascend off no that time no I know what they're near baby. Aquatia MPP stronghold, let's Aquatia for. And this is only more made. Mr. Mana and the sister I got them before. Okotadia and talk and no brodo. The price that they are on
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Beba so wana me ne ka say.
I wear Otu taxi driver Bakopa me Ghana ha.
Taxi Otu taxi driver Bakopa wo Ghana ha. Na ba to
taxi driver.
Me ba to na ka say. O ka say free.
Me ka say free nkram poto mo ya me obubuashi.
Bubuashi me ba to yo. Yeti o.
Minia obojuma nyamisha.
Nyamiso nhira pa.
Minia me tia onabo Kennedy ohine e Japan. Dema obebi adwuma ama mabu a ekọ university enya biaye me dey am pass me catch MPP ni bia no say o pe obi a wodachi o betime dia hye ne nsa pass on abo kensa obema discipline abakuru a obema youth na adane wi nomfo ene tramo nom no omo be jai adwuma ye because galamte utu galamte asia wa mi adwuma ama babu enya bia anya galamte no obekotu eti yamfa ye dachi eni yesunsum nyina ntai onabo kenachi no meji o man no onye ni yie mini akwatia NS yakumi abratie kama no kasa yie o kasa already so I was say my yiti mabobi eni nyame abefa nako nyame fa ne crazy but me kaisa NS ka bi je the NDC for the MPP or parliament nti MPP for nyina parliament da no munyama NDC for nko eni se for pia nto ata ono eja kwa mama eti obi obewi ni bia no ye besom but din MPP ni bewi ni but ye bompa ye so owini a ye beda nyame aso but okoya mo the chief justice ni nam say nyo a bad president but me stre honorable can say the ono be president won say that president ni bi onye bi mo onyi obi adi o ma mabu aye for madwuma ye say ne ya for madwuma ye say ye for wadwuma December 1 ana ye wokọ adwuma mu January ntini ye yi wadi no me sra na boken so beji o man ya on pasa mabu ni nyina say o mu nyina ye Ghana fo ma o mu nyina ko university o mu fa adwuma ye na o manya adwuma ye enti mo onyi obi adi na o ma mabu ni nyina anya adwuma na on san ye bi nka ho na mabu ni nya adwuma na Bible kura say nsa anya adwuma no oni di minia nyame nhyira o oni nyame nya adwuma
nyame so nhyira say o ba adwuma die no so. All right, so it's been a long day for us. Nyame adomo china Akwetia will be representing live over there. And you know, the pink rato from Akwetia, Akwetia, Ochina Adia, Ubeti pin nka. A top from say King Kane, Adia, Ubeti a pin nka. Yemfa, your last but one caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, me pacho wana mene kasai.
this Oyongo, actually,
But so, now Casa free.
It's a
Agbobloshi. Oh, Agbobloshi. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Maybe I'll show it to you why.
But then you bring me here on a book in the Japan. Yeah, then very good. Yeah, vampire. Our daughter be in. The ring what can. Bye.
Yeah. All right. So SOMPA 106.5 FM. Okay. There's some birthday wishes over here. Let's see. Today it's your birthday, Edwin Ni Okai Abusi. Today it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Edwin Ni Abusi. Baby Obiano Yamao Awodapa. Happy birthday. We wish you God's blessings. So here on screen is where a guy will retire. Here sign now I order. As I be back to hey, that's why we are such also by Edwin Ni Okai Abusi. Happy birthday to you. It's a special birthday wish from the team working over here for God and country from SOMPA 106.5 FM. And then secondly, happy birthday to Reverend Ohene Boateng. Today it's your birthday. We wish you God's blessings. We wish you God's protection. The dawa kuma so person nyame yema obiano. Nyame mfa wonye dwuma na kai enso ewo empire boom. Now God will continue to bless you and bless us. Happy birthday to you. Emma, sorry to them now.
Prof, how say na ye can Chief Justice Assembly going for
whether initiative.
1 minute cry. Unze me say we enye lesson ye so be free. Tit for tat.
No, but see, even if it is a tit for tat affair, what lessons do we draw out of the tit for tat?
Going forward, you're making sure say CJ will not be by appointment. Either say justices now be two or maba, and as you been lay down procedure of who should succeed the Chief Justice after say Nipanako. Because so long as say Chief Justice no appointed by the president today, it will be based on merit and party affiliation. We can never run away from that. But you build a robust justice system.
All right, and sorry for the break in transmission, but I think it was a technical hitch. But quick one.
Okay, Prof. Na me de manusi asema na me kan say ye ko ye nim no CJ no ye ma ne nye by elections and whatever objective merit-based assessment I debate to say Chief Justice say ye for said TBI the next one President nebe appointed no. Let's give the President His Excellency John Dramani Mahama that luxury also appointing the CJ. Then let's start a conversation say after CJ way a kwan ben so ne be fa ye be CJ any president and omampanyi and be pound. Ye me feel say going forward no political interference.
All right. Okay, so thank you very much. Roger, you call once me twato.
Once me twato ni say akwetiafo they should come out in their numbers. Emeto Obama NDC. Na yemfa your friend is saying MVP for into omo place. Na uni ma dia bako.
Me pacho me na me dia bako. But me pacho e brain e be kind news. Enti me say just shortly why Mr.
Abochi wanga sa kra o kan we why a surprise.
The parable according to
Saint Matthew.
Or say
the parable of the talent. Or say they are all kitwa when putting it to use no J. Na fama the owo bebre na we put it to use. Hwe say yeti parliament. Na micro minority. Omo betena parliament fie. Ashembra and I say I abo ejuma ma omko situation no. Omo so omo nsa e machi fi parliament e ko yoko. Say nkwala
That is not a subject for discussion. Thank you. But I don't have to. No. But you can make that statement. So please. No. But no. I have taken you out of the microphone. I will not allow you to say. Your last words.
Prof.
Yes.
Media me work and say akuti amai. Omu hu say party a odwe omu hu any MPP for. Na the American na no the American na say NDC for e wa de pa de momo a enye ne say ekoto abanene nansan say enye NDC a menim da say national organizer to instruct president say
what are you also saying?
Yes, young calling of all galamseyers and okokan okan wi anomu yes ade
why am akofi boa
yami
why no, Debbie. No. Me pacho, etie for ye brena aye be ye friend me Kobla Abuchi. AK Prof. Nyame adomo china ye be share ye wakwetia live ye the report ne be bremo. Ya kramo up next ye